Trivia quiz for kids. Outer space. What is the closest planet to the Sun in our solar system? Earth, Venus, or Mercury? Mercury. Which celestial body is known as the Red Planet? Saturn, Mars, or Neptune? Mars. What is the largest planet in our solar system? Earth, Saturn, or Jupiter? Jupiter. What do we call the bright, streaking light we see in the night sky when a meteoroid burns up in the Earth's atmosphere? A comet, an asteroid, or meteor? Meteor. Which famous space telescope has provided stunning images of distant galaxies and nebulae? Hubble, Kepler, or James Webb? Hubble. What is the name of the closest natural satellite to Earth? Jupiter, the Moon, or Venus? The Moon. Which planet is often referred to as the evening star or the morning star because it's visible in the evening and morning sky? Venus, the Sun, or Saturn? Venus. What is the imaginary line that divides the Earth into the eastern and western hemispheres called? Equator, prime meridian, waistline? Prime meridian. What is the term for a group of stars that form a recognizable pattern in the night sky? Constellation, constitution, or galaxy? Constellation. What gas do plants create that humans need to breathe on Earth? Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, or oxygen? Oxygen. What is the name of the first human to walk on the moon? John Glenn, Neil Armstrong, or Buzz Aldrin? Neil Armstrong. What is the name of the force that keeps objects in space like the Earth in orbit around the Sun? Magnetism, electricity, or gravity? Gravity. Famous people. Who was a famous scientist known for discovering gravity? Thomas Edison, Albert Einstein, or Isaac Newton? Isaac Newton. Who was the second person to walk on the moon? John Glenn, Buzz Aldrin, or Neil Armstrong? Buzz Aldrin. Who is known for their paintings of sunflowers and starry nights? Claude Monet, Vincent van Gogh, or Georgia O'Keeffe? Vincent van Gogh. Who was a famous American inventor known for his work on the telephone? Thomas Edison, Samuel Morse, Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Who is known for the theory of relativity and the equation E equals mc squared? Albert Einstein, Stephen Hawking, Isaac Newton. Albert Einstein. Who is a famous professional basketball player known as King James? Michael Jordan, LeBron James, or Kobe Bryant? LeBron James. Who is a famous American pilot known for her solo flight across the Atlantic Ocean? Bessie Coleman, Sally Ride, Amelia Earhart. Amelia Earhart. Who was a famous American inventor known for the electric power system and development of alternating current? Thomas Edison, Benjamin Franklin, Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla. Who is the beloved American children's TV host who taught kids about kindness and curiosity in Mr. Rogers' Neighborhood? Fred Rogers, Peter Rogers, Frank Rogers. Fred Rogers. Who was the famous civil rights leader who gave the I Have a Dream speech in 1963? Rosa Parks, Harriet Tubman, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Who was a well-known author of children's books, including Green Eggs and Ham? J.K. Rowling, Dr. Seuss, or Shel Silverstein? Dr. Seuss. Who was a famous baseball player known for breaking the color barrier in Major League Baseball? Jackie Robinson, Babe Ruth, or Lou Gehrig? Jackie Robinson. Music. Who is known as the King of Pop and is famous for hits like Thriller and Billie Jean? Elvis Presley, Michael Jackson, or Justin Bieber? Michael Jackson. What is the name of the musical instrument you blow into to make music and it has keys like a piano? Trumpet, guitar, or flute? Flute. Which musical genre features fast, rhyming lyrics and often uses a record player to scratch the music? Disco, hip-hop, or country? Hip-hop. What collection of instruments includes the piano, violin, and flute? Percussion, brass, orchestra? Orchestra. Which famous band from Liverpool, England became a sensation in the 1960s with hits like Let It Be and Hey Jude? The Worms, The Ants, The Beatles? The Beatles. Which musical symbol tells you to play or sing a note softly? Pianissimo, crescendo, forte? Pianissimo. What is the smallest member of the violin family and is often used by young children learning to play the violin? Cello, viola, violin. Violin. What is the term for a group of people who sing music together, often with a conductor? Choir, orchestra, soloist. Choir. What percussion instrument consists of metal bars and is played with mallets? Drum set, xylophone, bongo drums. Xylophone. Who was a famous singer known for her hit songs like Respect and Natural Woman and was called the Queen of Soul? Whitney Houston, Beyoncé, Aretha Franklin. Aretha Franklin. What kind of music is typically played with a banjo, fiddle, and guitar and is associated with the Appalachian region of the United States? Bluegrass, country, or rockabilly? Bluegrass. How many lines make up the modern staff on a sheet of music? 4, 5, or 6? 5. Thank you so much for watching Trivia Quiz for Kids. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe for more and share with your friends.